IceBox, you got a sloppy copy, 4040, bro.
Yeah, Roger, on that 4040. We were trying for you earlier, man, because I heard you broadcasting over a big sound in Maui, Hawaii. Hello, 4040. I appreciate you taking me off to another channel to get on your world-famous YouTube water boat. IceBox and my smooth AM out here in Maui.
Sure you're right, Ken, bigger. Hey, IceBox, man, I like what you're doing over there, man. Hey, IceBox, I like what you're doing, man. I like what I'm hearing, man. Hey, IceBox, I got the video gate rolling, Ken, bigger. IceBox 4040, right back, aloha.
Check right out 4040, man. Well, you looking some kind of torch out here around Maui, Hawaii, too, man. I appreciate you taking the time to get me up here on that Watergate, man, because I've been seeing all the boys around Honolulu, around the Big Island, all up on that 4040 Watergate. But you sounding real good, too, around Maui, Hawaii. No doubt about it, man. Yeah, world class, Mr. 4040, while I get on that Watergate with some kind of sloppy copy. It's smooth AM in Maui, Hawaii. 4040, IceBox, yup, man.
Damn, IceBox. Yeah, that's kind of big a smooth, man. Hey, IceBox, tell me what you doing on that end. What you talking on and what you doing, man. I really like the sound, Cat Bigger. Hey, IceBox, tell me what you're doing on that end. I'm listening. Come on down.
It's good, right, man. Well, I'm dropping down 150 bird watch right now. We can't really get up on anything else at the current time, but we're just running a Kenwood out here, 4040. I got this Kenwood over here, running this little 2-pill box. Ain't nothing special going around and down this part of town now, 4040.
Yeah, 410, man. Yeah, it's doggone, man. It's a little tough, man. I'm getting a little bit of what you were saying, plus I had my 44. He was in my ear. When I point at the islands, I'm looking right over the top of this doggone PlayStation, man. But, damn. Wait till you hear this Watergate, man. They're gonna blow you away, Ken Bigger. That's a hell of a smooth sound you got going on there, will you?
All right, man. I appreciate the flowers and sending out this way, man. You gotta listen to yourself, and I'm sure you have, 4040. Because there's no mistaking your audio out there, too, while you ran on the band, 4040. You rocking me, baby?
Yeah, usually I'll be out here on my Big Johnson, man. But right about this time, I'm talking on a 101E. Excuse me, just a 101. No E, no Z, no nothing, man. But, doggone, man. I got a little bit of rat gear going through here.
Yeah, check Roger, man. Well, I'll be looking forward to that Watergate, and while I get up on there, I'll send you a little message up on the YouTube. I'll get up on your YouTube message, 4040, and I'll go into detail. I'll go into a little detail on the station on the grass. 4040. I don't know if you still got some kind of Mother Nature on me, but we're trying to get out there with 150 bird watch dropping down on this 5/8 ground plane out here. World class, Mr. 4040. Appreciate it, and you have a good Sunday evening, and to the rest of the household around that end. 4040. IceBox and my smooth AM in Maui. We'll be getting that right back.
Oh, 10 Roger. That's what I'm doing. About 150 bird myself, man. Doggone, man. That thing's smooth, man. Yeah, let me wrap and tap this Watergate, and I'm gonna put it up, man. Hey, IceBox, keep an eye on YouTube. I'm gonna post this Ken Bigger up, man. I'm gonna say aloha, my friend. Take care, IceBox. 4040 with the smooth sound of this old Yakimo when I get down.
All right, take care, 4040. Like I said, I appreciate you pulling me away from the channel to get on that world-class 4040 Watergate up on YouTube. You have a good Sunday evening? 4040, I'm going to get back down and top of the middle on this. 4040, IceBox around the mini grass. I'll see you now. Bye-bye-bye.
Bye-bye-bye-bye. Yeah, man, and don't forget to post a reply, man. I'll get you email, man. We'll talk a little bit more. Put on on you later, IceBox. Real good copy. I'll see ya.
Hey, IceBox. Hey, IceBox. Boat captain around these turkeys looking break.
World class 40-40. I'm going to get on out of here with my 150 bird watch sliding wide to the side around Maui, Hawaii. 40-40. IceBox around Maui. Bye-bye.
Dude, that is just beautiful.